I'm Nick Parr from Boone County Highway Department. I've worked here about 13 years. We're located in Lebanon, Indiana. Current role is operations manager. I wear a lot of hats. I have 750 miles of road we maintain. About 320 miles of that's gravel. 192 bridges, 60,000 residents.
I'm Brian Sterner. I'm the supervisor of the Tippecanoe County Highway Department Maintenance Garage. We have roughly 840 miles of roadway in our county. We maintain for all the right-of-way, the ditches, the drainage, all things related to highway maintenance. Like probably a lot of municipalities, we're on a budget. Equipment gets old and worn out. Our challenges are to make our equipment last and trying to discover new ways to get things done.
We had pains going to job sites and equipment didn't work, couldn't get it maintained, expensive service bills, racking up for service calls. We lost good weather days. This is Indiana. We don't get a lot of nice good weather days to go do our road work. In the world of government, finance, you have to buy typically the lowest responsible bidder. There's a lot more to it than just, it's cheaper. What good is that money? I can't go plow snow with money, right? I can't go clear roads with money. I can't go grade roads with dollar bills. I have to have a piece of equipment that is running and reliable to go get that done. What's been a big help is having vendors that have been willing to say, hey, here's another way of financing, here's another way of rolling the costs together into one basic payment. And that includes all the maintenance to go with that. That was like, is this almost too good to be true? Now we can budget that dollar every year, know we're gonna have graders that we can rely on.
To me, the most important part of any product is not necessarily the upfront purchase as it is service after purchase. And I can honestly say we've had nothing but great luck here getting our equipment maintained.